DJI is all set to release its tiny versatile camera, the Osmo Pocket 4. And this time, the upgrades aren't just incremental, they represent one of the biggest generational leaps DJI has ever attempted in its ultra-compact gimbal lineup. Combining a redesigned body, an all-new dual-sensor system, expanded shooting capabilities, upgraded battery life, and workflow improvements that turn the Pocket 4 into a genuine all-in-one filmmaking tool for travelers, vloggers, content creators, and even professionals who want a pocket-sized backup camera. The leaks circulating for months have now become more consistent, and nearly every major feature has been revealed, painting a surprisingly complete picture of what the Osmo Pocket 4 will bring. Igor Bogdanov's recently surfaced hands-on video gave us the clearest visual confirmation yet, showing the updated chassis, the new sensor configuration, and the improved gimbal head, giving creators an early glimpse at how DJI has reimagined its most portable camera system. On top of that, the FCC listing for the new model appeared online, confirming regulatory approval in the US and effectively signaling that the launch is imminent, likely within days, not weeks. Industry insiders strongly believe the camera is dropping this month, and all signs point toward DJI using perfect timing just after the US ban is lifted on December 23rd, with an expected global release right after that. But while release timing is exciting, the most groundbreaking change arrives in the optical department. For months, rumors swirled about dual cameras or a modular sensor setup, and now those rumors are confirmed. According to photowraps and the video from Igor, the Osmo Pocket 4 will feature a true dual sensor system, something extremely rare in a device this tiny. The main camera packs a powerful 1-inch Type 50 megapixel sensor, the largest and most capable sensor DJI has ever put into a pocket camera, giving the Pocket 4 the ability to capture dramatically cleaner footage, richer dynamic range, and far better low-light performance than any of its predecessors. What makes the upgrade even more exciting is the addition of variable aperture, a feature typically reserved for professional mirrorless cameras, not a palm-sized vlogging device. This means creators can finally adjust depth of field, control exposure more precisely in bright environments, and achieve cinematic transitions between f1.x and 4+ settings without relying on ND filters. With variable aperture and a 1-inch sensor combined with DJI's industry-leading 3-axis gimbal stabilization, the Pocket 4 blurs the line between small gimbal camera and full-frame filmmaking rig, allowing beginners and pros to shoot more dynamic compositions with accurate exposure and smooth motion. The main sensor supports up to 6,000 recording at 30 fps, 4K at 120 fps for buttery smooth slow motion, and improved HDR video thanks to the larger sensor area. The new pixel architecture promises noticeably cleaner nighttime shots, reduced digital noise, and sharper detail without that overprocessed look that smaller sensors usually struggle with. Alongside that main lens, DJI has included a second 1.3-inch sensor with a squarer aspect ratio, designed specifically for vertical video workflows. This is a smart move. Rather than needing to rotate the camera physically or crop footage in post, the Pocket 4 gives TikTok creators, Instagram reel shooters, and YouTube Shorts filmmakers a clean vertical-first experience without sacrificing quality or stabilization. This dual sensor system shows that DJI isn't just targeting traditional vloggers, they are actively embracing the short-form creator economy, offering a streamlined way to shoot cinematic travel clips one moment and social-ready videos the next. Another surprising detail is the decision to stick with a single display. Early leaks hinted at dual screens, similar to DJI action cameras, but new information suggests the Pocket 4 will carry a refined version of its front touchscreen only. While some users hoped for a secondary selfie display, DJI seems to have decided that the rotating gimbal head already provides flexibility, allowing users to flip the camera toward themselves and still monitor framing easily. This helps keep the design simple, lightweight, and durable while avoiding unnecessary battery drain. And speaking of battery life, the Pocket 4 is getting one of the most practical upgrades creators have been asking for: a larger internal battery. The FCC listing confirms a bump to 1545 mAh from the previous 1300 mAh, which is roughly a 20% improvement in raw capacity. But thanks to a more efficient processor and better heat management, real-world shooting time may be even longer. DJI seems to have redesigned the internal cooling pathways, improving heat dissipation during extended 4006K recording sessions, which has historically been a challenge for small-form cameras. Longer recording time means vloggers and travelers won't constantly worry about carrying extra power banks or swapping battery handles mid-shoot. Combined with faster charging and improved power optimization, this makes the Pocket 4 far more practical for all-day shooting. Beyond hardware, the Osmo Pocket 4 introduces several software and performance enhancements. DJI is reportedly improving autofocus using phase detection technology, combining contrast-based and predictive algorithms to track fast-moving subjects more accurately, especially in low-light conditions where older Pocket models struggled. There are hints of new AI-driven shooting modes, including smarter face tracking, improved subject locking, and more cinematic presets that emulate professional camera looks with minimal user input. DJI is also expected to introduce better audio capture with higher dynamic range microphones, allowing vloggers to shoot outdoors without requiring an external mic for every scenario. The Osmo Pocket 4 may also integrate more seamless wireless connectivity for transferring 6K and 4K 120 files to smartphones without painfully long wait times. With the growing importance of mobile workflows, faster wireless transfer could be one of the most essential upgrades for creators who want to publish quickly on location. Another part of DJI's strategy seems to be aligning the Pocket 4, with its broader ecosystem making it easier to pair with drones, the DJI mic system, the RS gimbal family, and the Mimo app. This ecosystem synergy could help the Pocket 4 become not just a vlogging tool but a key part of multi-camera setups. Now that the leaks have revealed most specs, the big question is whether you should wait for the Pocket 4 or buy something else now. If you already own a Pocket 2 or any smartphone gimbal, the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a massive upgrade. The jump in sensor quality alone justifies the wait. And when you add variable aperture, better battery life, dual sensors, improved stabilization, and upgraded heat management, the Pocket 4 becomes the most capable compact camera DJI has ever built. For creators traveling light or filming run-and-gun content, this device could easily replace smartphones for serious video work. As for the release date, every insider points toward mid to late December. The rumored timeline has the Pocket 4 launching around December 18th in China, with the US release happening immediately after the DJI ban expires on the 23rd, a strategic move that allows DJI to avoid legal issues while still hitting the year-end shopping window. DJI historically releases major consumer products in late Q4, making this timing extremely likely. So now all that remains is the official announcement. With its dual sensor powerhouse setup, larger battery, new variable aperture lens, 6K capability, vertical shooting focus, and smarter autofocus system, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to redefine what a pocket-sized gimbal camera can be. Whether you're a travel vlogger, filmmaker, or everyday user capturing memories, DJI is building what could be the most advanced compact content creation tool on the market. And with all the leaks pointing toward an imminent release, the real question is no longer whether the Pocket 4 is coming, but whether the competition can even keep up with what DJI is about to unleash.